Now that you can see your baseline data, your intervention data, you can see the level analysis with the orange, and you can see the trend line with the black dotted line, and you can see the goal line with your green line. We're going to go ahead and click on each of the lines and add data labels. This just simply puts the scores onto your graph. So now you can see what the scores were. We also need to add labels for the axis. So on this label, we're going to have words read correct per minute. We'll move that right here in the middle. And on this axis, we're going to have session dates. We'll move this right up here, close to the middle. Here we go. You might want to add your goal. So we'll add the text box right here with 60, which was my goal. And I'll put it right here so that we know where the goal was. If you're having difficulty with your y-axis, you can always click right here, right click, and you can format the axis. You go to scale, and you can say whether you want a minimum or not. We really don't need 0 as our minimum. We could probably make 10 as our minimum. So we're going to make 10 as our minimum. We're going to make 60 as our maximum. We have 5 as our major unit. That looks great. And now you kind of get a closer picture of the data. You can also take this and make it larger if you want. So now I have a closer view of my data as well. So these are just some extra things that you can do to make your graph pop out and look really nice. Always add a title at the top. So mine would be Slater, because that's the name of my kid, and the type of probe, and then graph. I'm going to put that right in the middle and up top so that this graph has a name. The only other thing that you can add but don't have to add, switch this, put this up here, make this line a little different, here we go. Here we go. The only, you don't have to add it, but you can add it, would be a text box right here that has effect size, and 1.08 was my effect size. Let's make it a little bit bigger and go ahead and have this format shape, have a line on the outside. Okay. There we go. And there is your graph. There you go, all done.